Adding vectors using trigonometric method. Cosine law. The square of any side of triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus twice the product of these two sides multiplied by cosine of the angle between them. Okay, say for example, you're looking for the value of side A, so that is A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC times cosine A. Cosine A or angle A represents the angle between B and C. If you want to calculate naman, for side B, that is B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC times cosine B. Angle B here represents the angle between A and C. And if you're going to look for side C, so that is C square is equal to B square plus A square minus AB or minus 2AB cosine C. Cosine C represents the angle between A and B. Next is we have the sine law. That is the ratio of the sine of any side to the sine of its opposite angle is constant. Ibig sabihin guys, angle A, so that is sine A. Opposite po niya ay si side A, so that is sine A over A. Then si side B naman, or si angle B, ang katapat niya ay si side B, so that is sine B over B. And for angle C, ang co-opposite naman po niya ay si side C, so that is sine C over C. Okay? Now, let's work on this problem. A BMW travels 15 km due north and then 25 kilometers in the direction west of north. Find the magnitude and direction of the car's resultant displacement. So first, you have to plot your given vectors. So mag-drawing ka muna ng Cartesian plane and then plot the given vectors. So simulan natin kay vector A, which is yung 15 kilometers due north. So 15 kilometers due north from the point of origin. And then plot vector B, which is 25 kilometers in a direction 60 degrees west of north. So ito po yun. So that is, ito po yun. Okay? 60 degrees west of north. So the angle is measured with respect to y-axis. And then, to calculate for the magnitude, you have to draw another vector from the point of origin and connect it to the head of the last vector. Okay? Now, you will notice meron na po tayo ditong triangle. Okay? Noon sa vector A, noon sa vector B, ang nawawala is yung side R natin o yung hinahanap natin na resultant o yung car's resultant displacement. So in this case, to calculate the magnitude of the car's resultant displacement, we can use cosine law. So that is R square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine theta. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, R square, so dapat maging R is equal to square root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine theta. And then plug in the values. We have R is equal to square root of 15 kilometers squared. That is the value of vector A. So ito yun, value ni vector A here. Plus 25 kilometers, yung value ni vector B, minus 2 times 15 times 25. Cosine 120. Ano yung cosine 120? That is the angle between side A and side B. If you will notice, this line is a supplementary angle. And a supplementary angle is an angle that measures 60 or 180 degrees. So if this angle is 60 degrees, then this angle is 120 degrees. So that is 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. And then plug in the values to your calculator. That is A square, which is 15 square plus 25 squared minus 2 times 15 times 25 times cosine 120 degrees. So the value of the car's resultant displacement is equal to 35 kilometers. Okay po? Next, the problem also asked to find the direction of the car's resultant displacement. So, ito po yon with respect to y-axis. So, in this case, we can use the sine law. Okay? So, paano po yon? So, sin B, ang kaharap po ni sin B o ka-opposite ni sin B ay si side vector B. So, that is side B over B. And then, yung ating angle, this is angle theta, which is equal to sin 120. Ang ka-opposite niya naman ay si resultant. Okay? So, that is sin theta over R. Then, cross-multiply. So, magiging R sin B is equal to B sin theta. That is R times sin B is equal to R sin B. Then B times sin theta, that is equal to B sin theta. And then divide both side by R. Para ang matira lang sa atin ay si sin B. Okay? So, yan na po yun. Now, substitute the values we have. For B, we have 25 kilometers, and for R, we have 35 kilometers times sine 120. So, para makuha natin yung value ni beta, so beta is equal to arc sine 25 over 35 sine 120. Okay? Now, plug in the values to your calculator. That is simply arc sine times 25 sine 120 over 35. So that is equal to 38.21. So angle beta is equal to 38.21 degrees.